Hello everyone, good morning guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Rajput blog. I hope guys you are very well. So today I am just discussing about the topic about the question and answer of the candidate. Many candidates have a comment on my many video have just like asking about the when will be the onboarded of the candidate, when will be the get the next onboarding update. So there is the information about the Mphasis onboarding news. Why companies delay onboarding, still waiting for onboarding. About the question and answer, many candidate have comment on my comment section. So this is the information about the video whose candidate are just waiting for the more than a year, but Mphasis have not responded back and just giving the date of joining, and many ripple mail about the hire of the ripple mail, and many candidates have received the joining date but not received the ripple hire mail. So this is the information regarding the full information about the when will be the Mphasis onboarding in the next batch. So guys, I hope guys you will subscribe my channel or not. देयर वाज अ कमेंट व्हेन विल बी दी ऑन बोर्ड अदर कैंडिडेट ब्रो, प्लीज़ बताइए कि जिन बच्चों का ओनली LOI आया है कितना वेट करें, ऑफर लेटर का उनकी ज्वाइनिंग होगी नहीं होगी, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट हुआ है, स्ट्रीम ECE है, प्लीज़ बताइए, थैंक यू. So guys, this is the information when will be they will onboard other candidate. So guys, there is a information regarding the company side. Only the company will tell information regarding the when will be they onboard. There was a information about the 23 and 24. Today and tomorrow was a joining date. Many candidates have received the onboarding mail. There was a information on a 10th May, but there was a issue regarding the something like that company. So they onboarded the candidate in a 23rd or 24th May. So so candidate, I also don't know when will be the company will send the offer letter or about the information regarding the next onboarding phases. As soon as I get the information, I will introduce like this video only or poll generate. प्लीज़ बताइए जिन बच्चों का LOI आया था उनको कितना वेट करें और ऑफर लेटर की उनकी ज्वाइनिंग होगी कि नहीं है. सो गाइस, जस्ट संध्या श्रीवास्तव जस्ट टेलिंग अबाउट दैट देयर वाज अ कैंपस प्लेसमेंट. इफ़ यू हैव डोंट रिसीव एनी मेल about the company side, you just mail to the company HR. If you're not getting the information, then you talk to your placement department of a campus placement, like having the TPO or training and placement officer. They will be informed about the next onboarding or like that having the offer letter or joining confirmation, some of the kinds. May I know when will be the next onboarding will happen? I also don't know will be the next onboarding. The company will inform as soon as I will make the video. The company will informing the candidate who has been joining before the 2 week ago. So guys, there was an information on 10 May. Many candidates received on 23 April or 24 April the joining news about the 10th May, and the 10th May candidate have received the information. 22nd May received the information on 10th May or 9th May about the ripple hire mail of the shortlisted candidate. Are you placed to the Mphasis from your campus placement? Yes, Sandhya Srivastav. Yes, the campus placement. If you get the information from the campus placement, then they will be because many Mphasis has to just contact the placement requirement TPO, so they will introduce about what they're going to be onboarded in the next phases or not, like that the next joining date or not. I received the onboarding template in April 26th. My joining on 10th of May. Still, I don't receive any ripple hire mail. So guys, don't situation will be the not going to be handled because many candidates have received the same ripple hire mail about before the joining mail, but not received any ripple hire mail because there was a onboarding again delay due to some circumstances happening in Karnataka, like that having the location of the Bangalore candidate, having the Pune location candidate. So they will be onboarded in the 22nd, 23rd or 22nd May. So guys, just I am telling about that. Don't wait for the opportunity. If you not received any offer letter or something like that, just waiting for the Mphasis in the last 1 year, please apply for the more opportunity or like that a startup company. Many company have starting their job opportunities, like that having the PwC is hiring the 30,000 employer recently in or like that having the many company SCL also having the going to be recruitment also. So guys, don't just wait. If you and just waiting, don't wait. If you wait for the opportunities, then will be more than a 1 year ago skill or is what you do on information from the company side also. Bro, I received the ripple mail, but I don't receive any offer letter of date of joining on May 10th. Will be the onboarders or May. If you received like that ripple hire mail, but not receive any offer letter of date of joining May, guys, just wait for more because company has just sending the ripple hire mail to the every candidate who just shortlisted for the profile, or they just hire in within 2 to 3 weeks because many candidates have received the ripple hire mail but not received the date of joining. So most probably in this after the 23rd or 24th, those who receive the Ripple hire mail, they will got the information about the next onboarding as soon as possible, because company is going to be recruit in a batches only. Is there anyone who is joining on a May 10th? Me, and no, yesterday got the mail of Ripple hire mail and was the information. So guys, just I'm just telling about the information from the Mphasis only, that the Mphasis recently the again checking their background verification about they are having any backlog in a 7th or 8th semester. If you guys have any backlog till now, if you don't clear, then they will not hire you. They will cancel your, or they will terminate you from your the last process of the onboarding process. This is the main reason also behind this company is going to be terminated, because many candidates have not upload their original document also. In recent the past one week ago, many candidates have terminated from the company side because they have not submitted their document uploaded in a given time slot, or like that having not like the ID proof, or having the backlog in any last semester. So they will terminate you with the given their like of the cases only. So guys, please complete all your document verification, something like that company, or all the clear your backlog for the last semester 2000 अप्रैल में onboarding कब होगी 2024. So guys, just I'm telling about the 2023 के जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं, just like that having they will be onboarded after the 2022 batch candidate will be onboarded, because there was a 22 candidate was waiting from the more than the 1 year ago. So there was a no information regarding 2023 batch. They will be hired on a 2024 or something like that 2025 starting. So guys, you should also be have to wait for the opportunity, because many company have just not hiring the candidate. There was a layoff or a recession situation was not a good in this kind, because last 15 days there was no company was updating any information regarding the onboarding or something like the Wipro, TCS, Mphasis. If you want the information, you can go to my playlist and watch my video. All the information you will get from there, my video. I think you will get the information what I'm trying to say. Guys, please just don't wait for the opportunities. Apply for the more opportunities. Skill your something like that. Skill what you are good in a coding or something like that, because many companies just hire their off direct campus recruitment also, like that having the off campus opportunities. Many company has just hiring the fresher candidate. So just guys, I'm just giving you the advantage to don't wait for the Mphasis also. If you're just waiting for the 1 year ago, apply for the more opportunity. Thank you guys for watching this. Subscribe and like.